table. Let's try again. What's happening, Jayla? What's happening to the balloon? It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. So for the middle one, for our Mountain Dew, oh, there's way too much talking, second grade. For the middle one, for our Mountain Dew, what am I going to make the balloon look like? What? I'm going to make it look bigger than the first one. Very good. It's starting to get some air in there. And if you have to go into the other one, that's fine. Starting to get some air in there. Starting to get some air in there. All right. At the end? Not yet? I don't think it's done yet. Oh my, this one. Look at this one. Their group has something going on there. Shouldn't be touching it. All right. All right. You know what? I bet if we look at these right before lunch, we're going to see something very interesting happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What should you be doing? Oh, I have some excellent examples out there. Naisha, Christina, Brianna, Jayla. I want some predictions. If we let these keep going, what is our end going to look like, do you think? Janika? Really big. Jalen? The balloon might get bigger and bigger and pop. Maybe. Maybe. You know what, this group over here, I think their balloon's going to do something very soon. I think something's going to happen very soon, which is great because then we can fill in our end result. Our end result. But I want you to think back into your hypotheses, to your guess. And on the very bottom of this sheet, I need a reader. Who can read what this says on the very bottom? Who can read what this says? Ermelinda. Hypothesis. Circle. Was your hypothesis correct? Circle, yes or no? And we're going to find out. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. Something's happening over here. Something's happening. Look at this group. Look at this group. Make some observations. What do you see happening, Lexa? Oh, you shouldn't be talking unless I call your name. Shouldn't be talking unless I call your name. Brian? It's getting bigger and bigger. Very good. Very good. I'm going to set this up here so we can watch what happens. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Looking to add some stars. Looking to add some stars. Looking to add some stars. Okay. Look what's happening. Oh my. Lexa? Oh my. Remember what I said about what the yeast represents? You can tell me. Tell me, Janika? The stuff in your teeth. What's it called? Alex? Plaque. This is plaque. Notice how there's plaque in the water and in the Mountain Dew. What do you think the white balloons represent? What do you think? Make a guess based on your observation. Brooklyn? Yes. Our teeth. Demaria and Kiala, please pay attention. Our teeth. Kinda. Something on our teeth. What grows when plaque and sugar mix? What grows, Jamaica? Something none of us want. None of us want. Something none of us want. Raya? Cavities. Cavities. Oh, I do not want cavities. I don't like cavities. I've had some. They're not fun. So do you think that the Mountain Dew is causing the cavity to grow bigger? Raise your hand if you think the Mountain Dew is causing the cavity to grow bigger. Janika? I think you're right. I think you're right. So do you think it's healthier for our teeth to drink Mountain Dew or to drink water? Raise your hand. Tell me. Sorry, eh? Very good. Another one? Water. Oh, there's too much talking going on, Janika. Brooklyn. Way too much talking going on. That's right. Your cavity's growing bigger when you drink Mountain Dew. That sugar is making the plaque go crazy. And it's causing it to grow bigger. When you drink water, look at what happens. Not much. All right, we're going to record this as our end result. So I want those of you in the paper, tell me what my water is going to look like. Did anything change? Did anything change? Raise your hand and tell me some observations on our water up here. Jayla? In water? Our water balloon got bigger? Demarion, what do you think? Did the balloon on the water get any bigger? Yeah. It did? Oh, you must be looking at a different balloon. You must be looking at a different balloon. Did the balloon on the water get any bigger? Raise your hand and tell me. Christina? No. No. So our end result, it's going to look the same. Now you're going to draw the Mountain Dew bottle. Now, Demarion, did anything change on our Mountain Dew bottle? In the end, did anything change on our Mountain Dew bottle? Right here. On your bottle. What happened? It grew bigger, so our balloon in our picture is going to look like this. Isn't it kind of sticking out there? Really big? Really big? We could probably draw it even straighter than that. Oh yeah, Alex's is drawing too. So, let's check some hypotheses. Let's check some hypotheses. Paige, what is your hypothesis?
I think the balloon is going
Lexa? All right, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, we're almost done, 2, and 1. Very good, thank you. Look at Paige, look at Naisha, look at Marquisio. Oh,